Let me make a quick video on how to use Password Slug. This is a test site. Let me just do it the manual way. The username is actually student and the password is password 123. When we submit, we get in. Perfect, login successful. The other way to get in is using your password manager. So right now I already have this saved in LastPass. If I click here, LastPass is going to come in, fill in the username, and also fill in the password, password 123. We submit, and again, successful. Now let me show you how to set this up. Of course, I never want to get hacked, and I would never want to use a simple password like the word password. I mean, honestly, you're gonna have to use a really good password these days. They can crack passwords in less than 10 seconds now. I'm gonna go into LastPass and I'm going to edit this. Instead of password 123, I'm just going to tell LastPass my password is password. It shouldn't work. You go here, fill it in, and yep, it forgot the 123. Okay, so this is how Password Slug works. First, you put in the slug. In our case, it was 123. And then you can put the slug after your characters, before your characters. In this case, we're going to put it after our characters. You also got to tell Password Slug where you want this used. In this case, my login was student. This is how you do it. Space. And now I have to put the URL. Steal it from right here. And that's it. Now if I refresh and then I fill in this, LastPass is going to fill in password. Boom. Right after that, Password Slug came in with the 123. And you can see the little lock sound, and if you have sounds enabled, you would have also heard that sound right there. I will end the video there. I wanted to keep it as short as possible, but there's other things it can do. If you have questions, email us. Thank you.